Assalamu alaikum everyone, you are watching Software Buddy. I hope that you all will be fine. So in today's video we will be learning the relational operators in the R programming language. So the relational operators are the operators which are being used to find the relationship between the provided two operands which are given to them. The output or the result they provide is always in the Boolean form, which means that the relationship between the two operands provided is either true or false. You must also be familiar with them. The first operator is the less than operator. For example, let's say x less than y. Then comes the greater than operator. The equals operator, which is used for the comparison, and we use it like x equals to y. You must also be familiar with the less than equals to, greater than equals to, and not equals to operators. Less than equals to means that either x is less than or equals to y. If that is the case, then this will be true. Now if x is either greater or equals to y, then this will be true. The not equals to operator, which means that whatever the value of x is, it is not equal to the value of y, and if it is the case, then the answer will always be true. Now let's see some examples of all the relational operators and vectors and matrix in our studio. Let me first create the vectors. So these are our two vectors that I have created, so let's perform the operations on them. The output you can see here, and you can clearly see that the 14 is bigger than 4, which means it is true. The next is 5, which is not greater than 5, but it is equals to the 5, which means it should also be true. Then comes the 8, and it is less than 10, and also it is not equal to the 10, so it should be false, and it is. We can see it for different operators. Let's check it for the other. If we try the equals operator, you can see the result here. Now let's see these operators on the matrix. Let's quickly first create the matrix. So these two are our matrix. Let me display it for you. Now let's check the greater than operator first. So you can see that the operation has been done element wise on these two matrix. So by the same way you can perform all the operations. For example, let's say equals to operator. The answer is false for all the values because no two values are identical, and it will be true if we perform the not equals to operator, and it is. So the relational operators are the very easy ones.